Hello, welcome back everybody to your channel Freedom. So sorry all about passive freedom not free, so let's grind. But before we go, as you know, this channel for entertaining purposes only, as I have no clue what I'm doing here, no financial advice given here. And when it comes to crypto platforms, please don't invest money you can't afford to lose, as crypto is dangerous and risky. Cheers. So what's happening, guys? Last week, as we saw this crazy time when Finalmente scammed and everybody got screwed up with Finalmente, and guess what, a lot of hypes they got scammed as well, they exit scams. So what's going on? So basically, guys, we as we are in crypto, everybody know that these companies they have the time to shut down their doors, and either this time will come sooner or later. It doesn't matter if it will take 1 day or 2 days or 1 year or 2 years. It was finally it took them over 500 days to shut down their doors and blame some other stuff on their failings or scamming us. Hypes as well. Some hypes take 1 day, some hypes take 1 month. It doesn't matter as well. So it's a lesson to be learned for 2021. I made a little bit ROI in Finalmente, around like probably 28%. But what happened? I took this money and bought it in bitero. I was trying to expand my portfolio and to make a little bit extra money, but what happened? I lost in bitero. So basically, in total, I lost a little bit. So it's a lesson to be learned for 2021 to everybody to know that these companies, these platforms, they will have the day to shut down their doors when they reach their targets, making the money they want and leave. So probably some of them they have the intention from the beginning to do that, or some of these companies they fail to continue and affording these percentages or these interest they say they will, or the profit they say they will give it to the investors. So it's a hard lesson actually to everybody, but you have to know this crypto, and anything could happen with crypto in general. We don't know the future, and with crypto we don't know even the second is coming. uh, what could happen, what could happen in the next minute, in the next hour, next day. Probably you can go sleep and you come when you wake up, you turn on your phone or your laptop, and the platform is not there, the website is closed. So you have to put this in mind when you send money to these platforms. You have to put in your mind that you could not see this money anymore. So you set up your mind, you set up your goals, and try to make ROI as fast as you can. So probably I can say that, I can say that aloud, that probably the people make money with hypes, probably these people who share their links, because they can make a faster ROI, and they don't lose that way. But most of the people, the majority, they lose. So I can't, there is no financial advice given here, no advice of any kind given here, but the only advice I can give it to myself in front of you guys, that hypes, we can put big X on hypes, big X on hypes, and we look for those platforms where they have the potential, where they have the transparency, where we can see that what they are saying is right, is true. So they do whatever they are saying. So from here we can go and talk about the best two passive income platforms for 2020, and these ones, the one has the potential for 2021. So they did amazing in 2020, and they have the potential for 2021 as well. What these platforms are and why I choose them as well. I had this opportunity. It could make you insanely rich as well. That was yesterday's video, but I will carry on this opportunity for today as well. So let's check it out. So the first platform that did amazing in 2020, and they have big potential for 2021 as well. It's Cash Forex Group. What difference? What the difference here? Why this is have a big potential for you to make ROI or to make some money with this company? Because basically they have a real people. Basically they have a real people. This is number one. Number two, they have some transparency that you can go and check out and see for yourself that they are doing whatever they are saying. So they saying they are trading, so you can see these trades, and in the same time right now they offer that you can copy these trades, which is amazing. No other company, they give you the ability to copy their trades in your own account, in your personal account, in your own broker, because basically probably they don't trade at all. But here, if they are trading and they have real trades, there is no problem to make their clients to copy it, because it's real trades. So that's why Cash Forex Group is number one for me, which I'm going to concentrate in 2021. To number two platform I can talk about is Cubitic. Cubitic has big potential as well for 2021, where you can go and register and buy a digital license and start making money today with Cubitic. And the good thing is about Cubitic, they have trading bots where they sell, and you take these trading bots and connect it to your account, and it make you some passive profit income weekly basis or monthly basis. So if they have these bots where they are selling, which is I don't buy, because I buy digital license, I use the passive part of it. But what I mean is, if they have these trading bots and they sell it for their clients, that's mean they have a real trading bots. They use it for themselves to generate this passive income for the digital part or the digital licenses. So basically these two companies, they have real peoples, and they have a transparency where you can check it out, where you can see it for yourself that they are doing what they are saying. So and here the one I consider is the largest potential for 2021. It's the WISE token. This is not the first time we see some reds on the WISE token, but what happened with WISE is it went insanely to 94 cents and dropped to 70 or 69, and then went up again to 80, probably 84 or 86 cents, and dropped again. Trying to find the floor right now on the average price of 75 cents. Going up a little bit, dropping a little bit again, and that's so normal and so healthy for a token, which is people taking profits of the table. I really regretted to not buying the most as I can. I just bought like $100. That's almost nothing. I have a couple tokens of WISE token I bought at 12 cents. Imagine if I bought way more in 12 cents, what I will be doing right now. This potentially can go 10x from here. It's so easy to happen, and that's my point of view. No financial advice, but it's nice area, nice floor to be buying on this price right now, because this is could be go 234x from this point, see. And wise we didn't see these numbers long ago with any other tokens. It's so high liquidity, and it's rarely to see that the daily volume goes down like this. It was almost 500%, 500%. And see right here the price, as I told you, it went to 95 cents, dropped and went back again right here in this area to 88 cents, dropped 72 cents, and is in the rise again right now. See this little area right here? It's so nice area to be buying from here all the way up again. Imagine if we will have another bull run up like this one here. We don't have any dips at all right here. This is the first dip we had, and we didn't break the all-time high again. That's so normal, because people look for these levels to be selling off these levels. People start to sell right here in the 95, 94 cents, because they know that everybody looking for the dollar mark, so everybody wanna be first selling. So good luck everybody. The links will be in the description below if you guys wanna make some money on 2021. So cheers, and see you in the next video.